Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this video, we pit the rumored specs of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra against those of the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung has refined its design language, opting for a flatter display and more squared-off edges. The iPhone 15 Pro Max introduced a titanium build and slimmer bezels, and the 16 Pro Max is expected to continue this trend with further refinements. Both devices are expected to feature high refresh rate OLED displays, with the iPhone potentially adopting micro lens technology for improved efficiency and brightness. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely be powered by either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or the Exynos 2500, depending on the region. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will undoubtedly feature Apple's next-generation A-series chip, continuing its dominance in mobile processing power. Samsung's One UI offers extensive customization options, while iOS is known for its simplicity and ease of use. Both companies are expected to heavily integrate AI into their devices, enhancing everything from photography to daily tasks. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max may stick with a 48-megapixel sensor but with improved sensor technology. Samsung is expected to maintain its impressive zoom capabilities, while Apple may introduce further enhancements to its telephoto lens. Both devices will rely heavily on computational photography to enhance image quality, especially in low-light conditions. The iPhone is expected to maintain its lead in video recording quality, but Samsung is continuously improving its video capabilities. Both devices are expected to offer all-day battery life with potential improvements in battery technology. Samsung may increase its charging speeds to compete with other manufacturers, while Apple is expected to maintain its current charging speeds. Both devices will continue to support wireless charging with potential improvements in charging efficiency. Both devices will support the latest connectivity standards, including 5G and Wi-Fi 7. The S25 Ultra is expected to offer up to 2 terabytes of storage, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max may match or exceed this. Both devices will feature advanced security features such as facial recognition and secure elements for payments. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max are shaping up to be impressive devices, with each offering unique strengths.